we are finally getting around to doing our third DOOFOOD meal.
How long has it been? It hasn't been that long.
No, it hasn't been that long.
All right.
These do stay good for about a week, they said, so
all right,
it's cool.
We're testing that.
We loved our first two, and I've been hearing a lot in the comments that they do not deliver to your area, so I say we keep emailing them and pressuring them to get the whole world involved.
Yeah, I'm upset. Well, I mean, they don't deliver to us.
Yeah, we can't get this. This is our one.
Yeah, this is it. This is the only one that we get. So
I'm sad about that.
I am really sad about that because these are delicious.
They are, and they're so freaking easy.
Yeah, they're really easy. So I don't know. I mean, it's all about logistics and everything, and hopefully the more people who buy it in the Northeast, the more that they'll start to expand. So. And yeah, so I'm excited. Okay, so this one again, super simple. There's just two instructions. One is dump everything and heat it up, and the other one is dump in the rest of the stuff and heat it up. So
sweet. This is the army stew. Oh, yeah. What's it called? Army based stew?
Army based stew.
Army based stew.
Which looks like a lot like kimchi and sausage and bacon and vegetables and noodles. So best.
It says a beloved Korean stew with an interesting origin story. Does it tell you the origin story by any chance?
You're gonna have to Google that one. Sorry, people. We have no time for you.
All right.
We'll look it up later. For cooking,
okay, so we already added 800 milliliters of water to our pot.
Yep,
and then add the kimchi, vegetable, sausage, and bacon, and then bring to a boil.
Yeah, boiling additional 12 to 14 minutes on medium to high heat once it's boiled. Awesome. Okay. So I'm gonna heat this sucker up on boil.
Are you gonna do that and I'll go?
Sure. The kimchi.
I'm gonna take the paper towel out first.
Yeah, don't cook that. Tried it last time. Looks tasty, not so much.
Sorry.
By the way, again, we're using too small of a pot here because we're grasping at straws for anything that's induction that works with this induction cooker.
I know, we were gonna order a pot and then we didn't, and now I'm regretting that decision.
It was like $50, and we're like, when are we ever gonna use a pot again on the induction cooker?
Silly.
Never.
Silly. Oh, sauce.
And yeah, we should have done that. So
this looks like.
It looks delicious. Dump it.
It's not much of a sauce. It's more of a chunk fest.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You want to look up the history of this while I'm doing a bad job of stirring it?
I do. The dish was created shortly after the armistice that ended the Korean War, using the scrounged or smuggled surplus foods from the U.S. Army bases.
Which ended up just being a lot of sausage and bacon, I'm assuming.
Right? Like all the Spam and...
Spam, I wonder?
Probably was Spam. Oh, here, made with ham, sausage, Spam, baked beans, kimchi, and gochujang.
Yeah, it's kind of like a stone soup, but just
right
from army bases.
All the looted leftovers.
We've already eaten our side dishes, sadly. Those seasoned cucumbers were really good.
Those are really good. Yeah, as a product of foreign military intervention and the collision of two cultures. We'll be back when this is done boiling. Okay, it has been approximately 12 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put in the noodles.
Alright, so we're just gonna throw in the mushrooms and the noodles and boil it for about 1 to 2 more minutes.
Plop.
Plop. And then we'll be done. I hate to just kind of mix them in there because they look so pretty when they're just,
I know.
Well, and they show it like just, very nicely laid out on tops, but,
here,
it's fine. Dump them.
Okay, wait. Let's enjoy the moment. So pretty.
So pretty.
Okay, start it. Alright, so just another couple of minutes, right?
Yeah, add them to the pot, boil on high for 1 to 2 minutes, and that is done. I love this little Loch Ness ladle because it stands up on its own. How brilliant is that? All right, let's do it. Oh, so chunky.
Oh my gosh.
This is way more than 2 servings, man.
Yeah, this feeds a lot, right? What do you think?
Spicy.
Is it? It smells spicy.
Really good, though. I mean, it's got kimchi and it's got to be spicy. It is delicious. We've not had a bad meal with these guys. Right?
Oh my gosh, that's really good.
It's really good. It's very savory. It's got a good level of spice without being overbearing. It doesn't take away from the. It doesn't take away from the taste of it.
It's perfect. It's wonderful.
Yeah, everything in here is super delicious. So once again, these meals need to come out to the West Coast.
Right? Oh my gosh, I am absolutely in love with this company.
Yeah, no, the box is great. Super easy. Everything's prepared for you.
Yeah.
You just throw it in a pot. It takes about 10-15 minutes. I think it's one of those really easy, what do we have for dinner? And you can just, it's a one pot or one pan thing. You throw 2 things in there. It's all fresh ingredients.
You don't have to chop anything. Very few dishes to do.
No MSG.
No MSG. Yeah, it's healthy too, which is nice.
Yeah, I'm super excited about these. They need to ship.
Absolutely. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box. Hopefully you guys can get this wherever you live in the northeastern US. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to DOOFOOD for sending this to us.
Yes,
this is amazing. Please come out to California.
Yeah.
All right, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.